All right, and we're back with our halo. Woo! Look how bright it is. My halo is so bright. Look how bright it is. Halo. Hello. So we're finishing off number 27 there. And so we just found the radius of the circle shown. But now we need to plug it into an equation. So our equation does opposite signs, so watch out for that. So x minus h all squared plus y minus k all squared equals the radius all squared. And so this, of course, is our h and our k. That's the center of our circle. Then we need to count off our radius. So our radius is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Definitely 5. So we have a radius, a rad. So we definitely have a radius equal to 5. Okay, so that's going to be 5 squared. And 5 squared is 25. And so here's one answer. Identify the center of the radius as shown in the graph. So that's there. And then they want you to put it into the equation. So that's going to be x minus h. Well, h is already negative, so you have a negative times a negative. So that's going to be a positive 4. Positive 4 all squared. Plus y minus k, which is already just a 1. So that's it. Y minus 1 all squared. And so that is the equation of our circle. Cool. Last page, you got this. Do you know how to solve a proportion? I believe you do. Come on, cross multiply. You got this. Pause me, try it on your own. Pause me, try it on your own. Try 28. Try 29. You got this. You're going to cross multiply. So x times 5 is 5x. And then 3 times 4x plus 3. Going to distribute that 3 through. Pause me. Try it on your own. So 3 times 4 is 12x. 3 times 3 is 9. Whoops. So plus 9. And so we're actually going to minus the 9 first, because I want to keep my x's positive. And so I can do that so they don't spread rumors about me with my x's that I dated. What the? So we're going to minus 5x over to this side. And so 12x minus 5x is 7x equals negative 9. And now we're going to divide by 7. And we are going to get negative 9 sevenths. Perfect. Okay, so then, last page, maybe. Oh, good. Okay, so then, yep, negative 9 sevenths. Okay, so find the probability of selecting a club and then another club from a standard 52 card deck if you replace the first card before selecting the second card. So how many clubs are there in a deck, basically, right? So club, there's an ace of clubs and a 2 of clubs, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of clubs, jack, queen, king of clubs. So there's 13 clubs. So 1 out of 13 is your probability in a club. Then, whoops, that's wrong. So it's actually 13 clubs total out of 52 card deck. Because 52 goes in the bottom because it's the total, and the total always goes in the bottom. Okay, you replace the first card before selecting the second. So that means you put it back in. And so we don't go down to 12. We actually stick at 13. So the second card will also have a 13 out of 52 chance of being chosen. If you do not replace the card, then it goes down. It goes 13 out of 52. And just drawing the second card and means multiply, and then 12 out of 51. So that's kind of basically the difference between those two, basically. And so let's see here. So 13 out of 52 reduces to 1/4. So we have 1/4 times 1/4, which is 1/16. Oh, almost done. And so that is going to be reduces to 1/4 times 1/4. And so that's going to be 1/16. Beautiful. And then we multiply that straight across. And that gets a crazy number of 12 reduces to 3/51. So kind of put that on your calculator. You'll see that reduce like crazy, I think. I'm not sure. Running out of time. But we'll give that a try there. Okay, then tiles number 1 through 30 are placed in a bag. You select a tile at random. Find the probability to select an odd number or a prime number. So that's or means to add those probabilities. So selecting an odd number would be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Then there's 21, 23, 25, 27, 29. So that's 15. So probability of selecting an odd number is 15 out of 30 total tiles or numbers in a bag, plus selecting a prime number. How many prime numbers are there? So prime number is only when it's divisible by itself and 1. So that's what a prime number is. And so that's 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. So that's a prime number. So prime numbers, again, are, let's just type those in there really fast for you. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, and 23. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. Okay, so now we just have 9 over 30. So 15 plus 9 is 24. And so 24 over 30, which reduces to 4/5. There we go. Good job. Remember to pause me, try each one on your own. Okay, so that's 4/5. Okay, so last problem. We'll let you try a few of these on your own, actually, but we'll get you going. So there are 14 grape candies, 8 orange, 10 strawberries. After you've made your choice and eaten your candy, your friend randomly chooses a candy from the jar. What is probability you choose a cherry candy? So that's 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there should be 32 total candies. I don't even see a cherry in there. Blah. There's no cherry, so that's a 0% chance to choose a cherry because there are no cherry candies available to choose from. That is a silly question. Super silly. Silly cherry question. Let's probably you choose an orange candy. So again, there's 32 of them total. So that's 8 out of 32. Which if you divide by 8, that reduces to 1/4. You kind of getting the hang of it now? There's probably that you and your friend both choose an orange candy. So that's kind of a tricky one. Because after you choose your orange candy, then, or either of you choose one, there's a less chance for the next person. There's only 7 out of 31. So I'll let you finish that one on your own because it is bedtime and my wife is waiting to come in. So thanks guys for working hard on this, and don't forget the halo. Peace out and bye for now.